Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here together with me, introduce myself. My name is Diasitianti from University Jenderal Ahmad Yani, Class E, Bachelor of Pharmacy Studies. Today, I'll be talking about what I was told at the beginning, namely the drug development process. Here I will explain the background first. The background for making this video is to complete the English language assessment that has been given, and the title I chose was about drug development because I am interested in exploring how the drug development process is happening now. Moving on to the next point, getting to know the stage of drug development. Drugs that can be consumed by humans must first go through various stages of trial before receiving approval for distribution. It is no longer a secret that drugs must be tested in various stages in order to determine the resulting effect, both therapeutic effect for patients and toxic effect, or what can also be called detrimental effect. In this case, in Indonesia, refers to the guidelines for the new drug development process, which is supervised by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in America. Preclinical development, compound optimization, 1. Chemical modification to improve efficacy and safety. Chemical modification is an important step in preclinical development aimed at improving the efficacy and safety profile of a drug candidate. This process involves changing the chemical structure of the starting molecule to improve its pharmacological and pharmacokinetic properties. 2. Preliminary toxicity test. Preliminary toxicity testing is an important stage in preclinical development that aims to assess the potential toxicity of a drug candidate at an early stage. This stage helps ensure that the compound being tested is safe to process to clinical trials in humans. Preclinical studies. 1. Test on animal to assess safety and effectiveness. Animal testing is a critical step in the preclinical development stage that aims to assess the safety and effectiveness of a drug candidate before it is tested in humans. This step helps in the identify potential side effects, step doses, and therapeutic effectiveness of the drug. 2. Pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic data. Collection and analysis of pharmacokinetic (PK) and pharmacodynamic (PD) data is an important aspect of preclinical development. This data provides critical insight into how the drug interact with the body and how the body affects the drug, which is essential for determining appropriate dosing and optimizing drug safety and effectiveness. Phase 1 clinical trial objective is safety and appropriate dosage in humans. Participant, healthy volunteers, methodology, safety side effects, and pharmacokinetic testing in humans. Phase 1 clinical trials are the first step in evaluating the potential safety and tolerability of a drug candidate in humans. This stage involves healthy volunteers to understand how the drug behaves in the human's body and to determine a safe initial dosage for further use. Phase 2 clinical trial objective is effectiveness and safety in patients with the target disease participant, patients with relevant condition, methodology, test optimal dosage, and monitor for side effects. Phase 2 clinical trial are an advanced stage in the drug development involving patients suffering from relevant medical condition. The aim is to evaluate the effectiveness of the drug candidate in treating the target disease as well us to further monitor its safety. Phase 3. Clinical trial. Objective: confirmation of effectiveness monitoring for side effect and comparison with standard treatment. Participants: large patient population. Methodology: randomized control studies (RTC) and multi-center trials. Phase 3. Clinical trials are an important stage in drug development, where the drug candidate is evaluated in more depth in a large patient population. The goal is to confirm the therapy's effectiveness and better monitoring its safety before obtaining regulatory approval. The regulatory approval process is a critical stage in the drug development that ensures the drug can be marketed safely and effectively. Regulatory approval NDA BLA submission, new drug application NDA or biologic license application BLA to regulatory agency FDA, EMA. Regulatory evaluation, review clinical trials data, preclinical and manufacturing data, approval and launch, official approval and marketing strategy. Phase 4. Clinical trial and pharmacovigilance. Objective: long-term monitoring after the drug is marketing. Activity: collect safety and effectiveness data in broader population. Identify rare side effects. Phase 4. Clinical trial are an important stage after a drug is launched on the marketing to monitor rare side effects and ensure its long-term safety and effectiveness in the broad population. Challenge in drug development. Cost and time. Process is expensive and takes years. Strict regulation. Strict requirements from regulatory bodies. Clinical failures. Many drugs fail in clinical trials despite promising preclinical results. The future of drug development. Technological innovation. Use of AI and machine learning in the drug discovery. Gene and cell therapy. Development of personalized therapy. Global collaboration. Collaboration between research institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and regulatory agencies. Conclusion: the drug development process is a journey that requires strong collaboration between research, pharmaceutical companies, and regulatory agencies. Although challenging, these efforts are critical to bringing safe and effective new therapies to patients, improving quality of life and overall public health. Thank you for your attention during this presentation. I am now open to further question and discussion. Does anyone have question or need clarification regarding the material that has been presented? If there are not questions, I will answer the presentation. Thank you for taking the time to attend this presentation. Bye-bye.